Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope everyone is doing great, and again we are back with another exercise in SOLIDWORKS 3D modeling series. And those who are new to this series, don't forget to check out the previous 6 number of exercise that we have completed in this particular series, and slowly we will progress a bit and we will create complicated geometries as well. So be in touch with our channel so that you can get all the updates. So without any more delay, let's just begin today's exercise. And this exercise is there very easy one. You all can achieve this with very less time. So let's just have a drawing analysis first, and then we can start this model. First of all, as we can see, this is a very simple model. It is having a wing like structure here and the other side as well. So first we will create this portion as my front view, and then after that the remaining thing will be achieved. So let's start a new part modeling here by pressing Ctrl N, and as we know that we have to select part here. So simply select part and OK. Once you select part, your user interface of the software will be open, and here we have to initiate a sketch. So to initiate a sketch, we all know that we have to go to sketch tab. Here in sketch tab we have to select sketch, and after that the software will ask us to choose a plane where you want to initiate your sketch. So we will choose front plane here, and again we are getting the normal view to draw. So let's just understand the drawing from where to start this model. So here I have decided to start from this portion. So let's create this drawing, and then we will apply all the dimensions required. So go to the software and start drawing it. So, and the drawing should be symmetrically about the origin, so that it will be easier to use tools like mirror for future reference. So let's just draw it symmetrically both the side like this. So after drawing it, the very first thing I will do is I will create a center line here. So go to center line, and you can create it here. After creating the center line, I can apply the symmetric constraint here. So select this line, press Ctrl, this line as well as the center line. So all these three lines are selected, and here I am getting symmetric option in add relations. Simply select it, and it will be symmetric about the center line. Again, do the same for the outer lines as well. Use symmetric relation. Now as you can see here, it is not aligned with this particular line, so I need it to be aligned with this. So simply select it with it, and then you can apply collinear here, and it will be aligned. So after applying the geometrical constraints, now it's time to apply the dimensions. So as I can see, it is of 75 width, and inside it is 35, and the height is given 60. 75, 35 and 60. Let's just apply it using smart dimension tool. So from this line to this line it is given 35, and then from here to here it is given 75. After that the height given here is 60. So let's just create it by using smart dimension tool. Okay, now what is the height from this point to this point? Let's just check. As you can see here, it is given 40 from the inside height. So we can directly create this height, which is 40, and it will be fully defined. So after creating this circle, what next we have to do? We have to exit from the sketch, and then we can go to feature tab. In feature tab, we can get the extruded boss base option, by using which we can extrude this particular profile and add some height to it. So simply click over it. Once you click over it, it will ask you the extrusion height. So let's just check how much the extrusion will be done. So the extrusion height here is 90. So let's just apply 90 here, type 90 and enter. Okay, so the base is ready. What next? Next portion we are going to do is this particular portion. So we have to create this using sketch, and then we will create the fillet here. Okay, so let's go to the software. Simply go to sketch tab, select sketch, and select this planar face where we can create the 2D drawing. Now take line entity, start from here, and try to draw as it is appearing like this. After drawing this, the very first thing I will do here is I will create the fillet here like this and press OK. Now let's apply all the required dimensions given. So the height is 38, and here I'm able to see it is 36 diameter. That means the radius value will be around 18. So let's apply that. So the height here is given is 38, and this radius value will be 18. After that, what is the length of this line? So as I can see here, it is given 35. So let's just apply that dimensions as well. So simply apply it 35. Once it is applied, here I can directly create a circle of diameter given. The diametrical value is given 20. So you can directly provide it here. And after that, we can exit from the sketch and we can go to feature tab again to apply extruded boss base. Now here we have to flip the direction of the extrude so that it will go inside. And what is the extrusion value? The extrusion value will be 15 mm in length. So let's put that value here, 15, enter. After that, simply press OK. So the similar instance is there in the opposite side, as we can see in the isometric view as well. So we can use mirror tool here to create this same instance in the opposite side. So how to use that? Let's see. To use the mirror tool, first of all, you have to select the extrude to which you want to use mirror. And after that, we can directly go to this mirror option, click over it, and then it will ask you about which plane you are going to mirror this feature. So to select any plane that is already there, you have to go to this part and expand it here. And here I have three default planes that we have in the model. So you have to choose the right plane here because the right plane lies in between the model. So it will be helpful to use this as my mirroring tool. So simply click over right plane, and I can see here in the preview that it is appearing absolutely fine. So simply click OK, and it is created. After creating this portion of the model, the next task is to create this particular feature. So how to create it? Directly go to the sketch, select the front plane and go to sketch. Here I will directly take line, start from here and create a profile like this. After creating this profile, the one thing I need to define here is this particular width. So this width is given, actually it is given from the center to this end, it is 15. So we have to first create this fillet like structure, and then we can get this dimension done. So to do that, first of all, what I will do, I will simply delete this. First let's create a 2D fillet here. Go to fillet and apply the fillet here. What is the fillet value? The fillet value is given 12. So let's apply 12. And after that, this length I can apply here, that is given 15 mm in length. After that, what is the height of this particular feature? From bottom to its center, it is of 60 mm of height. So here we will directly create the height from the bottom. Type 60, enter. As we can see, this feature is done. Now we can simply exit from the sketch and we can use extruded boss base to add the material. What is the thickness? The thickness we can find here in the top view, that is 15 mm. So we will type 15 here and OK. As you can see, it is created, but one thing remained there, that is the hole of 12 diameter. So I kept it for using hole feature, which is something new that we haven't used till now in our solid modeling journey. So where we can find that option? So we can go here to the feature tab. We have something called hole wizard. Using hole wizard, we can create different types of hole like standard holes, threading holes. We can create normal holes, counter bore, counter sunk. There are different types of hole that we can create in a model. So for now we have to create a simple hole of 12 diameter. So to do that, I will go here to this legacy hole option. By clicking over it, I will get in type section simple hole. And here I have to define two different parameters. One is the diameter of the hole, that is 12, and the next one is the depth, how much depth the hole is going. So here in end condition, I'm able to see it is already throw all selected. So now I have to position the hole in the appropriate location. To do that, I will go to positions, and here in positions I have to click on 3D sketch. Once you click on 3D sketch, you can see I'm able to generate a hole here. In any face I can create it. Okay, so normal to that face it will be created, but I need it here. So here once I go to that particular location, I can see there is a center point appearing according to the fillet, and here only I need the hole, so I will directly click. After clicking there, I can press OK, and see very easily the hole has been created. Now the same thing I need in the opposite side as well. So here it is not visible in the isometric view, but from the top view and front view I can see it is in the other side as well. So what we will do here, instead of creating once again the same stuff, I can use mirror tool to mirror this object in the opposite side. So to do that, you have to simply create the mirror by selecting them and then choosing mirror. Now as we know that to mirror we need a mirroring plane in between. So go to this part 1 and expand it and choose the right plane to mirror. And I can see the preview there. It is absolutely correct. Press OK. Now we can rotate this model and then we can see we have achieved it absolutely fine. Next, the last thing remains is the hole. There in the top view we can see there is a hole of 25 diameter and we have the location given as well. So let's directly create that hole by using hole feature. So here I have that hole feature, hole wizard option. Click over that, and after that again we are creating a simple hole. So we will directly go to the simple hole parameters, and here I will apply the dimension. The diameter of the hole is given 25, and the end condition will be again through all. No need to change any value. Directly go to positions and 3D sketch. Simply click over the surface. After clicking over the surface, what can I do? I can position the center point by using smart dimension tool. So click on the center point and this edge. Now this dimensions I have to provide. So this is given 23 and vertically it is 15. So let's apply that. It is 23. After that, from this center point to this edge, it is 15. So now we can see it is properly positioned in the right place. After that, we can press OK and your hole will be created. And with this, we have successfully completed a 3D model, and this is our exercise number 7. I hope everybody are able to understand this particular model and the way we approached this model. And if you have any kind of queries, you can write it down in the comment section. I will definitely try to answer them. And if you do like the video, please like the video and share it with your friends so that everybody can get knowledge from this particular YouTube channel. Keep supporting like this. See you in the next session. Till then, bye bye.